How to optimize performance max campaigns? Great question. And more people are asking about this now because Google is taking all the controls away from us. Just like I said earlier on, now we are not unable to exclude the Google display network from showing our video ads. You have got to run with it and live with it. PMAX is going to eat up everything right now. It is performing as well for us, for a lot of our clients, but then all the other campaigns are suffering because it gets all the conversions and the credit. The way we are organizing and setting up the performance max is what they call it, they keep bringing out these new terms. Instead of ad group, they've got this ads, not ad set. Well, whatever it is slipping my mind right now. But instead of um, multiple targeting in that ad group, you just have one targeting per campaign. One campaign, one ad group, or whatever it is called. It's not called ad set. It's bugging me now. Or what's it called? If you guys know, put it in the chat. Um, uh, asset group is called. So one campaign, one asset group, and one audience or one targeting. That's it, and that's all we do. And then we will have multiple campaigns running. But you can't do much with optimization. The only optimization you can do is you got your audience, you got your ads, change the ads. If that message is not resonating with that audience, you got to change the ads. Otherwise, other than that, there is nothing much to do. It's pretty much a hands-free campaigns like smart shopping. It will do its thing. It will get the conversions, and as long as you're getting a good ROI or ROAS, then you keep on scaling it.